price class, low price price. Don't park it in front of 15 Chance Movie Studio. I'm not sure he knows it's gone yet.
Hello.
Come to the go.
Okay, okay.
Get all you got, you son of ye shit! Keep coming, you rat! You need some magic? I got 2 for 1 sale today.
Changxi are overrunning the city.
No kidding. I'm How Fat Lao, not How Blind Lao. Excellent. I'll get the egg into the goat dung right away. And I have the moldy red blood waiting for the pepper. Give me a second to get the antifreeze ready.
Trying to poison me?
Idiot. Most Chinese magic based on antifreeze. Trust me, if you think maybe you're going blind, see a doctor. But only after defeating Jiangxi.
You hear how Smiley Cat got his nickname? Ponytail and a couple of the other guys killed him on Uncle Po's orders. They hit him with a car, then knifed him 42 times. They chopped up the body and put it through the grinder at the Smiley Cat processing plant. So now everyone calls Wu Smiley Cat.
High price class, low price price. Don't park it in front of 15 Chance Movie Studio. I'm not sure he knows it's gone yet.
Hey, this way. I need a car.
A car? Takla! I'll be there right away. Here you go. Don't wreck it too much, okay?
Hey, food on the stick! Buy it! High price class, low price price. Don't park it in front of 15 Chance Movie Studio. I'm not sure he knows it's gone yet. waiting for you, stable guy.
Stand. Crazy? This is icing on the fucking.
What can I help you? Do you have a car in here?